Hey everybody, just a quick how-to on how to use waypoints in the new version 11 user interface from the Tesla holiday update. You're going to start out by picking a spot to navigate to. In this case, we'll do a supercharger, and we'll pick that. If you want to add waypoints now, you're going to hit the ellipsis point, and then you're going to click Add Stop. We're going to add a restaurant here. From there, you see it'll route you to the first, and then after that, it'll route you to the second. What you can do now too, you can add another stop if you want to. And then also what they give you the option of doing is using edit trip here, and you can move them around by pressing the equal sign next to order them differently if you need to change that. Lastly, in the settings here, you have options such as avoiding ferries or tolls, using HOV lanes, routing with traffic, etc. And so that's just a quick how-to on how to use waypoints. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments. Thanks. Hope this helps.